Hi. Um, okay, so ordinarily I wouldn't do this, but a lot of things have happened lately that it's imperative we understand that words are powerful. Now, if this if this picture is me, I wouldn't even bother with this. I would just block the people. But I feel like we can do better. So today is my colleague and my very good friend's birthday, Rita Dominic, and I post a picture on this page. Another friend of mine calls me. I'm just coming back from set, even though I really don't do much today, but calls me and say, oh, that's people on your Facebook page that are very mean. I think you should pull down Rita's picture, because on the comment section they are only talking about, oh, she's not married, she's not this, she's not that, and they're arguing. I'm like, are you people kidding me? Did they carry marriage go heaven? Let's address that one first. Let me make you people understand something. This page is my safe space. I'm not even joking with anybody. I will block you and block your whole family. Do not, I repeat, come to my page to be judgmental to people. I take or beg you, be on your page and do that. Did a carry marriage go heaven? How can, what would it take you to just tell the girl happy birthday and move on? And then you have to do that nonsense on my page. What's happen now? Please, I am begging you people. Do not do that. I don't like it. This is a sincere plead. I want to believe that this kind of life or conversation, we will never have it again. Maybe because I have never talked about negative comments and all that. And if you notice things that have been happening lately, you need to yourself understand that words are strong and they have repercussions. Please, that somebody is in the public eye doesn't mean that that person doesn't have a heart or is not a human being. You do not know what is going on people's lives. Somebody's birthday, you're busy talking about how old she is and she's not married. Who told you she's not? Is it everybody that have to like live their lives the way you want them to? Please, I am begging you people, do not do that on my page. And I didn't even notice because I didn't go through the comments. It was a different colleague of mine that called me and told me to pull down a post of me wishing somebody's birthday, wishing somebody happy birthday. We now want to turn it to a negative thing on my page. Please don't do that. I beg you people. I will not tolerate it. Please. You do not have to like my page. You do not have to be on my page. If my content and things I post, it's offensive to you, do not follow me. Please. Do not turn positive posts. Do you know this life is not, people are dying off left and right. What is important to you is if somebody is married at a particular age. That's why I'm asking you people, the marriage, did they take and go heaven? Shouldn't we all be more interested in what legacies are we living? What life are we living? How are we affecting the people that are around us? Are we taking care of our families? Are people around us, if they look for us today and don't see us, are they going to be okay? What kind of life am I giving to my kids? If you're not having those kind of conversations, please don't comment on my page again. Please. This thing really pissed me off that I should pull a pic. Now I've started deleting and before I started doing this, I was deleting and I just got upset. Why are you not going to give me that kind of work and stress? Why can't you keep your opinions to yourself? I see, naturally I'm a happy go fellow. I know they vex, and my vex know they good. That's why I dey hide that part of myself. Please, let's not open our. Please don't do that on my page. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Don't. Before I even made this, I have literally blocked about 25 people, and I will block more. If the only thing you come to my page to drop is negative comments and you're looking for clout on my page, you they mad? They don't have picture of elderly person in your village. Do not do that, please. And please do not come to my page to tell people how to look or how to dress. Please. Or what they should do with their life. Don't do that. Please. This beg, I'm not go beg them again. But it's important to me that we understand that you can hurt people by the things you say. I don't know if she has seen it, but a colleague of mine called me and said, your Facebook people are very mean. You know, be this picture that you also posted on Instagram, very positive. This is your Facebook people are very mean. That's when I now went because I didn't even check. I went to check comment. I've been here since deleting comment. I said, why did I delete this comment? Let me just make a video, make a live video and beg you people, please don't do this on my page. It's not my brand. I'm a happy go fellow. That's it. If you're not happy or being happy that God has kept you alive and it is providing for you and your family, do not come to be on my page to be a nuisance. I will not take it. I will not. I can't come to you and say, why are you not married? Or why is your friend not married? I won't do that. I won't come to your page and say, oh, this leggings is too tight. Are you mad? Who are you to tell me what to wear? Like, let's be serious. Do I tell you what to wear? This page is a safe page. It's a safe place that I communicate with my real people. Genuine fans. Not people looking for clout. Not people being judgmental. Take your judgment and live in your house with it. And cook food with it and eat. I am not a judgmental person. I do not think I deserve the right to tell people how to live. I do not tell people who they are or they are nothing because they're not married. I do not tell people do not wear this or that because that's who I am. I demand to attract only the people that are like me. Because if you don't like me, why are you on my page? I will not have this kind of conversation, and because I don't want anybody giving me work to come and be deleting comments. Please, if I post a friend of mine birthday and it's okay, you have a right to like somebody or not. And if I post my friend and you don't like the person, move. I have other things on the timeline. Move, leave the post. Don't even like it. Go to another thing that attracts you. You do not have a right to come and be writing, oh, my friend is so age, he never marry. Please, you that is married, that is her age or younger than her, how markets? Are you going to carry the marriage to heaven? Please, let's be humans when we leave comments on internet, because internet doesn't forget. It's there. So is it like years from now, your child that is so proud of you will Google you, search you on internet and see that this is what you used your young age to do? Please. This is all this life is about. You know, I was deleting comments. I was like, why will I do that? Let me just do life and beg you people not to do this on a birthday post ever again. Please. Please, even if she's not married, she did not kill anybody. Leave her alone. If I put other friends, married or not, Please keep your comments to yourself, to your page. I am not interested in knowing what you think about anybody. You do not know anybody at all. Please. People walk around with their problems. You do not know what people are going through. Focus on you and your problems. If that person is, if my page is not inspiring you, which is what I thought this page is supposed to be, if it's not, please, for your own peace of mind, unfollow it. That's what I do. If a page is not inspiring me or something, I unfollow. Please unfollow it. I'd rather you do that than to create some sort of bad blood or make people start to think about things they don't want to think about, or force people to tell you things they do not want to tell you. My page will not be used for such. Thank you people very much. Thank you.